This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 60, Case Study II Internet of Health Things Part B. Smart grid is a vast research area with opportunities for further learning, and this course aimed to cover the fundamentals and implementation aspects of smart grid through lab-scale tests and case studies on architecture, definitions, control schemes, and analysis methods for AC, DC, and zero smart grid concepts. India's smart grid journey is significant, with objectives and targets set, including the execution of 3 full-scale smart grid projects worth 258 crores and an expected 40,000 MW of rooftop solar by 2022, along with plans for effective use of existing sources and EV proliferation. Smart grids and smart cities are hot topics in India, with pilot projects incorporating AMI, PQM, outage management, load management, and distributed generators costing 3,816 million rupees and ongoing projects under an SGEM at 5,773 million rupees, with leading institutions like IITs working on smart grid through Indo-UK collaborations and successful implementations in cities like Puducherry, Mysore, and Kanpur. Potential research areas for further exploration in smart grid include renewable energy control, a CDC grid protection, wide area monitoring, energy management, supervisory micro-nanogrids control, power flow modeling, grid operation with TSO/DSO, renewable energy load forecasting, cybersecurity ICT communication tech, interoperability validation, threat models info privacy, and cloud computing data handling. Device and converter technology play a crucial role in smart grid, with advancements in fault ride-through and converter interface too. Renewables, grid interfacing, e-lending, and seamless transfer tech, ancillary services and optimal converter design, multi-level converter coordination, and each VDC MVDC tech, smart grid enablers control hot swap converters, and standards. Energy storage and management in smart grid involve addressing policy, regulatory, and market design issues related to energy storage and renewables, demand-side optimizing and forecasting techniques for storage and renewables, industrial challenges of stochastic renewable energy behavior, optimal siting and sizing of energy storage across network levels, and electric vehicle integration issues for vehicle-to-grid V2G energy storage. Leading technology companies like ABB, Accenture, Capgemini, Cisco, HCL, IBM, Infosys, NDPL, GEL, Siemens, Schneider, Mahindra, and Power Grid are actively engaged in smart grid research and development, offering industry career paths and potential for long-term career prospects in this emerging field. The course provided a holistic understanding of smart grid concepts, covering simulation, modeling theory, and execution in detail, with a high-level attempt to understand real-time smart grid simulation and case studies, discussing smart grid architecture, definition, modeling, simulation and analysis, and considering case studies like demand management, load flow analysis, and voltage control. Smart grid has diverse reach opportunities for further learning, and India's smart grid journey is significant with targets set, successful pilot projects implemented across India, and key research areas including renewables, grid protection, energy management, device converter technologies as crucial enablers, and energy storage integration challenges for renewables and EVs. Leading tech firms are actively involved in smart grid R&D, and the course aimed to provide a background understanding on smart grid concepts, covering the syllabus and considering case studies on demand management, load flow analysis, and voltage control. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.